Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to show you what I made last week for using my paper, trying to use up my paper. So, okay, let's start out with the Easter ephemera. This is some of the stuff that I made. Of course, I packaged, I had cut out, let me start out with these real quick. I cut out, this is from kscraft, the, oh my gosh, the shaker bits, the Easter shaker bits. And I just cut out, I used a bunch of scraps and just cut out as much as possible. So I wanted to package it up, and I packaged it this way. I think I'm going to do Happy Mail with these. I think I'm going to do a sequin mix. I'm going to add some sequins to this and go ahead and do Happy Mail, because this would be considered flat mail, and just stick it in a card and send it to the people that I've traded with, that I have swapped with on my group, the Crafty Crafts by Dina group that I'm on. Okay, then I did make more of the little sentiments. These are from, I did individual videos about this. This is from kscraft, and I love these little sentiments. They're so cute. Anyway, I'm going to cut out a bunch of those. I want to make more. So this is from, I made these yesterday. This is from, what is her name? Hold on, Scrap Diva. I should know this. It's Scrap Diva Designs. Yeah, Scrap Diva Designs. That's the cherry, but I did them, the cherry hearts, and I did them in Easter paper. I'm actually, let me show you the paper that I'm trying to, this paper, I want to use the entire pad and make just Easter embellishments, and that's my goal. I'm getting there, but I'm making ephemera, Easter ephemera, basically from that pad. And that's Doodlebug Designs 6x6. Bunny Hop is the name of it. Oh, I love this paper. So this is from some of that paper. Let me see real quick. Here's another one right there. Okay. Let me move those aside. Okay. And then, okay, I've never made a shaker in my life. So here's the first two, or well, there's three actually. I'll show you another one later on. But I kind of goofed up. Yeah, I did. I'm learning. So, but anyway, these are kscraft dies, the Easter dies, and they're from this year. And so I just played around with them, excuse me, and made these. So I did the two shakers, which I had no clue what I was doing, but they're okay. Nothing's leaking. They're okay. This is a kscraft chick die. Guys, what do you do about that? If you have this die and you've made a shaker with it, what do you do about that? Do you just cut it off? Yeah, probably. It's probably what I need to do. But, you know, hey, it's not leaking. It could be better, but hey. Then I just did the bottom layer and the border layer to make these. And then I went goofy and decided, oh, I'm going to do some stitching with my pen. Probably not the best deal, but that's okay. I may use that on something that I make. Okay. So here I made my little envelopes. These will be used, I made a bunch of these. These will be used to send off Happy Mail, or if I'm in a swap. You know, I can put little things in there. So I made a bunch of them. This is from that Doodlebug paper. That's cute. Anyway, that just made all kinds of little envelopes. Okay. Oh, here's something that I packaged up using that doodle bug paper, and I cut out these little chicks and tags, and there's a bunny in there and everything. Yeah, super cute. More envelopes. Let me see. More envelopes. I think I have another one like this. I sure do. So this could be Happy Mail too as well. Send these off. That would be cute. Here's another. Look what I did with the little bunnies. I love them. Bunny, and put the bunny. You could do a little bunny sequin mix in here, and that would be super cute. And so I cut out a ton of these little tags. Let me see if I can get a piece of paper. This video can't be very long because I don't have a lot of memory on my phone. So let's see. I cut out a bunch of tags. So this is from a Scrap Diva Designs tag set for sure. Yep, because I sat there and cut those out. So anyway, here's sentiments that I made. I think these are from kscrafts. I'm not sure. More envelopes I made from a different paper pad. I made a card. I made, look at him. I used the Cricut to make him. And I also made some other die cuts that are spring. These are so cute. These little cupcakes. And just made a bunch of them with the little sprinkles on top and the cherry. They're super cute. These would go great in a little junk journal. Or you could actually sell this type of stuff on Etsy or even at a craft fair if you wanted to. You could sell it as party, for parties. You could sell it as so many things for junk journaling, whatever. Do a cherry themed or a cupcake themed junk journal. Yep. You can do so many things with that. Then I made these little cut out these little rabbit tags and the little chicks. And then that tag. Just tons of little tags that can be added to junk journals, whatever you want to make. Okay, and then this little envelope and this cute scallop tag. Oh my gosh, I love this tag punch. Anyway, not a punch, it's a die. Okay, this isn't it. That's just my Easter ephemera box that I filled up. Okay, I gotta hurry. Okay, let me get this out of the way. I gotta hurry, I'm running out of time. So I made another one of these little books just with leftover paper. I think it is 3 by 4. Yep, 3 by 4. Okay. I used up all of this paper, my mind's eye. Okay. This is the first shaker I made. First shaker I've ever made. I think I did a pretty good job. I didn't let the glue dry completely, so there's some glitter up there, but I think I did a pretty good job for it being my first one. And I made it out of that Michael's paper that from last year, and it's on clearance for $3 at Michael's. Okay, so out of that, this paper, the My Mind's Eye 6x6, I made a bunch of these little envelopes, and I used the die, the new die from Scrap Diva Designs, so 3x3 is what I use to make these. And these are going to be perfect for junk journals, for anything that, any of my journals that I make. It can be for swaps, etc. Okay, this is, I made the donut-shaped albums, and I'm going to blame Carolina for this. Okay, Carolina's Crafts. She inspired me. Yes, she really did. And I ended up making 4 of them. Okay, so I don't know that I have time to do a flip through, but let's see if we can do it real quick. It's going to be real fast, okay? I mean, all I did was decorate them a little bit. I need to add, and see I used one of the envelopes in there, okay? I need to add some stuff, learn how to make dangles and stuff like that to put on those rings, okay? Those cute, and I put an envelope sideways on this one because it was sticking out a little bit more, and I added a bunch of stuff to it. The paper that I used, oh my gosh, I love this paper. Is it Simple Stories, Cider, and Donuts? Oh my gosh, I love that paper. I should have bought 2 packs of that. Look at that. I made a little pocket and put some tags in it from that paper, and then a little envelope. Let me flip through those real quick. I love that paper. I think I need to buy more of it. So right there, I made those. And then I made, this is from Scrap Diva Designs. This was a little bit of a challenge for me, and yeah, I had a hard time matching things up. So, but this is a little sunflower album, and I had a lot of fun making it, but it was a challenge for me, matching everything up, and I will get better. But anyway, that's what I made. I did a lot this week. I'm excited. I'm busting through my paper, and let me know what you think. What do you think about my little donut albums? I can't even talk. That was inspired by Carolina Crafts. Okay, bye guys.